It's not every day that a car looks like it was pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. But the 2026 Mercedes AVTR isn't just a car. It's a statement. A machine designed to bridge the gap between human, machine, and nature. Inspired by James Cameron's Avatar, the AVTR is more than a concept, he's a vision for the future. And now, that vision is beginning to touch reality. So today, we're diving into the most futuristic vehicle ever made, the 2026 Mercedes AVTR, and trust me, this isn't your average EV review. Buckle up, because this is going to feel like stepping into the next century. The first thing that hits you when you see the AVTR in person is just how radically different it looks from anything else on the road. Forget about traditional car design. This is fluid, organic, almost alive. Its entire body is sculpted with flowing curves, no sharp angles, and absolutely no corners. It's like it was designed by wind itself. And those wheels, they're spherical, inspired by seeds from the Avatar universe. They don't just roll forward and back, they can move diagonally, letting the car literally crab walk. Yes, you heard that right. The AVTR can move sideways. Parallel parking, that's ancient history. Mercedes calls this bionic design. There's no traditional steering wheel. Instead, the AVTR is controlled by a multifunctional control unit in the center console that responds to your hand and even your heartbeat. When you rest your hand on it, the car literally wakes up. The vehicle recognizes your pulse, your breathing, and even your energy. It's not just connecting with you physically, it's connecting with you emotionally. It's not just about how you drive it, it's about how you feel when you're in it. And that's exactly what Mercedes is trying to redefine with this vehicle, the relationship between human and machine. The lighting on the AVTR is also next level. The whole car glows in a soft bioluminescent hue, similar to the visuals of Pandora. It reacts to the environment, the user, and even the rhythm of the road. On the back, 33 movable flaps, what Mercedes calls bionic flaps, act like scales that communicate through motion. They can signal turns, acceleration, or even interact with pedestrians or cyclists. It's not just functional, it's poetic. Step inside, and the interior is like no other cabin you've ever seen. Everything feels like it's grown, not built. The seats are made from vegan leather called Dinamica, completely sustainable and sourced from recycled materials. The floor is crafted from Karun, a fast-growing renewable wood material made from rattan. Even the dashboard isn't a screen. It's a curved surface that projects imagery, UI elements, and interactive content through advanced projection mapping. There's no HUD because the entire cockpit is the HUD, and the AVTR doesn't just show you stats, it shows you stories. Maps aren't just lines, they're ecosystems. Routes aren't just efficient, they're designed to reduce your carbon impact. You don't drive through a city, you experience it. Let's talk powertrain. The AVTR is 100% electric, but it's not powered by traditional lithium-ion batteries. Instead, Mercedes is experimenting with graphene-based organic battery cells. These next-gen batteries are fully compostable, made from organic materials, and don't rely on rare earth metals. They're more sustainable, safer, and potentially much more energy dense. Range, we're talking over 700 kilometers. With wireless charging that can restore up to 80% of the battery in under 20 minutes. And because it's built on a completely new EV architecture, all four motors are independently controlled, allowing for advanced movement, cornering, and even 360-degree rotations on the spot. Driving, or should I say, interacting with the AVTR is nothing like your traditional car experience. The moment you enter the vehicle, the car syncs with you. There's no ignition, no dashboard, no buttons. The central control pod recognizes your biometric data, and the vehicle calibrates its settings to match your preferences: lighting, temperature, even aroma. Yes, the AVTR can release calming scents inspired by nature, designed to elevate your driving mood. The control unit reads your gestures. To accelerate, you push it forward. To slow down, pull it back. Turn it slightly left or right, and the vehicle curves with a smooth, almost living grace. It's like flying a creature, not piloting a car. Speaking of living, Mercedes has leaned heavily into what they call the symbiotic experience. The AVTR doesn't just take you from A to B. It learns your patterns, your rhythms, your emotions. It adapts. Over time, it becomes more responsive, more intuitive. This isn't AI for the sake of AI. It's AI to build empathy between you and your vehicle. The more you drive it, the more it understands you, and the more seamless the connection becomes. Let's be real though, the 2026 AVTR is not a mass-market car. It's not here to replace your daily driver, at least not yet. It's a rolling blueprint of what's possible. A prototype brought to life to show us where Mercedes is heading. And where the industry is heading: sustainable mobility. Emotional design. Tech that doesn't just exist to impress, but to connect. It's a reminder that cars can be more than machines. They can be extensions of ourselves. In a world full of rectangles and touchscreens, the AVTR reminds us that design can be art, that technology can be organic, and that the future doesn't have to feel cold or mechanical. It can be warm, intelligent, even soulful. Mercedes hasn't just built a vehicle, they've built a dream. And as we move into a future dominated by AI, automation, and electrification, the AVTR feels like a beacon of how these things can serve humanity, not replace it. So, is the 2026 Mercedes AVTR the future of mobility? In many ways, yes. Not because everyone will drive one tomorrow, but because it challenges us to rethink what driving can be. It dares to ask, what if our cars weren't just smarter but more alive? And that question might just be the most important one of all.